Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I'm coming at you today with a teeny tiny little dumpster diving haul and then just some updates that I wanted to share with you as well and things that I forgot to share in my previous video. So if you saw my last video, you know that I currently am on vacation. This video is pre-filmed, so for you, I think this is somewhere in the first week of July. For me, it is June 29th. I haven't left quite yet. I'm about to leave, hit the road. But I wanted to share this with you and be able to get a video out for you while I was gone. So let's start with the tiniest little dumpster dive haul. This all came from Aldi. Starting with this. This is brand new. I don't see anything wrong with this. It's an indoor-outdoor tablecloth. It's, you know, that weatherproof material. It's yellow, white, and blue striped, Michigan colors, I suppose. They have it set up nice on the beach, so I thought that was a fun summer find. Going along with that, I also found this outdoor poof, which I think is so fun, especially that it's outdoor because I like the color for outside. I do have it taped because there's a little hole, well, not a hole, there's like a slice in it. I'm gonna assume they accidentally cut it while they were opening the box, so I have it taped up so all the beans don't fall out because they were falling all out. But yeah, just this cute little outdoor poof. It matches my rug, actually. So I think I will be able to sew that up and utilize that. And then the third part of our tiny dumpster dive haul is the better part. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these raclette cheese. Again, these were from Aldi, and it is summer, so it's hot. And that's why you have to be cautious when dumpster diving for food in the summer. But these were still cool when I found them at the dumpster. So that's how I know they were just recently thrown away, because otherwise they would be puffy and hot. But this is imported from Switzerland, it says. I just have them in the freezer for now because I'm leaving town. But this is the kind of cheese that you're supposed to like melt and then pour over stuff, like right there. So I think that will be very tasty. I do love cheese. So if anybody's used that, let me know what I should do to best utilize that. So that's it for the dumpster dive haul. And then I meant to mention this in my last video. But this, I got so many questions on this. This is a microwave and it's fabulous. I found it on Facebook. It's a Sharp brand half pint microwave. I thought it was going to be smaller, but it's pretty standard size. It's just like a square instead of a rectangle, but it's really fun. You know, just a normal microwave. There's the information. I got this for $15 on Facebook Marketplace, and I looked it up to do some research to make sure it'd be a good fit. And these are selling for a good amount of money on like Amazon and eBay. Obviously, I'm not going to sell it, but I think I got a pretty good deal. All you do is you like click the button and then it'll, you know, go. Normal microwave stuff. So I think it's pretty fun. I like it. And it's green. My color, I decided the color I'm going to use most in my home is green. That's the color I like best. It's my calming color. So there's that. And then I wanted to get your guys' opinion if anybody has any expertise. So as you guys know, I love plants. I just watered them yesterday. They are all very happy, except for this one. This is a Micans. I've had it for maybe a year now. And it's just not happy. And these aren't cheap. I mean, I didn't pay tons of money for it, but it definitely wasn't cheap. I also got this off Facebook. And it's just not happy. It's crispy, as you can see. The leaves like almost immediately turn red and die. It won't drink water very well. Like the standing water is right there. It just, every time I water it, it just like spills out the bottom. I've had humidifiers on it for days at a time, like multiple humidifiers. And I'm just not sure. It's just, I mean, there's still some of them that look very nice and it's giving me some new growth, but even that looks like it's going to turn red. So if anybody has any tips on how to keep this happy, please let me know. At first I thought it was too much light and that didn't help, and then I thought maybe it wasn't enough and all this stuff. I just want it to be lush and all of them to be dark and happy and beautiful. See, like this one's gonna die, I think. I don't know. Just let me know, guys, if anybody has any tips on that, but the rest of them are very, very happy. And then I wanted to give you guys an update on Beefy. I forgot to do that as well. So for those of you who don't know, Beefy is the cat that I fed for 1.5 years over at my other house, the mobile home. He would come to my door every day, and I would feed him, and he was the cutest little cat. And I wanted to bring him with me. I kept trying, and I'm still trying. Obviously, I don't live there anymore, so it's not as easy. But I've gone back, fed him, you know, put the trap out, tried to catch him. I just don't think it's going to work. And I'm disappointed, but I want him to do what he's happy with. And I don't think he wanted to come and be an indoor cat or move even. He just wanted to live where he lived. He lived there before I did. And he survived then. And there's another lady in the park. She lives in the back of the park. And she feeds about 10 feral cats multiple times a day. So I'm hoping he can just wander that way and join the gang. But I've already cried about it, and I'm very disappointed, and I'm sad, and I'm still going to try a little bit more. But if he doesn't want to come, he's not going to come. You know what I mean? There's no way you can convince a cat to do something it doesn't want to do. So there's that, and I'm going to include some pictures and videos of him at the end here. A little tribute to Beefy. I think he's just so cute, and his little striped tail is really what gets me, and his chubby cheeks. So cute. So I do want to get a cat, though. I am planning on getting one in this home sometime soon, whether it be Beefy or another one from the Humane Society. I will, of course, keep you guys updated on that, but I'm not giving up on him. However, I'm going to respect his wishes, and if he doesn't want to come, he doesn't want to come. So I wish I would have been able to pet him, though, because he looks so soft. I wish he would have let me do that, but that's it for now. Let me just show you guys the outside of my home here, just to show you how that's going. Here's my yard. No, that's a bad view. There it is, my whole yard. My dad's gonna mow it for me when I'm gone. I did get these little wooden boxes. They were $5. I'm going to use those as raised garden beds next year. Can't do much this year. It's too late in the season. I think there's a little bunny over there as well. So not much going to happen this year, but next year I have huge plans. Sorry, I just have my address written out right here because I have to get my real one put up. But I have huge plans. Now it's not going to focus. For next year in the outside. But for this year, I'm just going to keep it clean and go from there. Here's my fire pit. This neighbor's very nice, so I'm thankful for that. Oh, and I showed you this. I did use it, and it worked so good. It cleaned, it washed them, and then I got home from work, and they were already dry in the same unit. I love it. Fabulous. The only thing is that it moved. If you can tell, it moved quite a bit. I wish I could have seen it moving and grooving and jiving, but I think it's because there's shipping bolts in it. That's what Google was telling me, at least. So my dad's going to take the shipping bolts out for me when I'm gone and put that back. So that's it for the update today, guys. A little tiny dumpster dive haul and then microwave and Beefy update. So enjoy the little pictures of him here at the end. And I will see you guys when I get back from my trip. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and I will be back soon with more house and dumpster diving videos. Thank you.